Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the text size changer to the control center on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings on your home screen, and then we're going to swipe down and tap on the control center. Then we're going to go down to the More Control section and we're going to tap on text size. So tap on the plus button right here, and that will add the text size to the included control section, which is your control center. So if you swipe down the control center, you can see there is a shortcut or a text size shortcut right here. Now if you tap on this button, it will come up with a selector tool, so you can drag on this selector to increase or decrease the text size. Now as you do this, it will show you a preview of the text size up here, and if I increase this to the maximum, and if I go back down to my menu, you can see in here in my settings menu, the text is now larger. So let's see if I decrease this all the way down, and you can see now in my settings menu, the text is now significantly smaller. And so that's how you can change the text size by simply adding the text size changer to your control center. So it's quite convenient, allowing you to quickly change the text size by swiping down the control center, and then you can just simply tap on that to change the text size. And that's it. So if you want to remove it from the control center, then just tap on the remove button, then tap on remove, and that will remove the text size changer from your control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.